Hi, so today I want to make a nice video in support of moving chi through the body and creating this nice gentle flow. If you're ever feeling really stressed, this is a great exercise to work with. This is called the Stork Spreads its Wings. So let's begin by pretending like we're holding a ball of light. Feel a nice stability in your feet and allow your hands. We're going to let the right hand go up first. Right hand's going to go up first, and left hand's going to drop down, and you're going to stretch the arms up and down, reaching for heaven and earth. And then we're going to come back down, make that ball of light. And as you do, bring your left hand forward and bring your right hand down. And let's stretch in the opposite direction. This is the spreading the wings. And then we're going to come back together. Slowly compressing into that ball. Bring your right hand forward, bring your left hand below it, and stretch those wings. So let's inhale as we come back together. Slowly bring that left hand forward. Exhale, stretch the arms. Gathering energy from earth and sky, and then breathing in. Compressing that energy, and then bring that right hand forward and then stretch as we exhale. Good. Inhale. Left hand forward. Exhale, stretching in opposite directions, connecting with earth and sky. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Let's do one more time to each side. Inhale, rotating the ball. Exhale, stretching. Good, and one more time this way as we switch and let that right hand go up, left hand go down. And then slowly come back down and just feel the energy. Get a sense of a ball of light being formed between your hands. Take that energy, place it in your lower dantian, right here at the belly. Take some deep breaths to let it settle. And lock it in with 3 rubs of the belly in one direction and 3 more in the opposite. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.